Hello everybody. Today is a very exciting day. Your girl got the brand new MacBook Pro or whatever the newest model is. So here's the tea on why I got a new computer. So I talk about the tea for a really long time. If you would like to skip over that whole shenanigans and get to the unboxing, I won't be offended. Okay, peace out. Basically, my MacBook is from 2012 and I've had it for a pretty long time. And then I'm in this class, it's a business Excel class, and you need to download Excel. So I go to download Excel and it's like, your Mac is too old for it. And I was like, okay. And I talked to my parents, I was like, okay, so I guess I need a new computer for this. But then I figured out a way to how to do it and I was like, you know what, it's okay, but they already ordered it. Whatever. And then flash forward the next like 2 days, this is what happened to my computer. I'll put a picture over here. Yeah, that's what happened to it. And I was like, it's online school. How are you supposed to do online school without a computer? And then I ended up getting a Chromebook from the school, and then my Mac ended up turning back on. It was a whole process. I'm pretty sure it got water damage, but my Mac is working again. But I have a new bad boy to unbox. So I thought I would do a little unboxing video because I am very excited for this. As you can tell, I got a notification that this package was delivered, but it didn't get processed by my residence hall until just now when I literally got the notification and sprinted downstairs to go pick it up. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. And we're gonna put you guys right there. Let's hope this doesn't break or fall or anything. Okay. How do I open this? This is very exciting. And someone count how many times I say this is exciting or the word exciting, because I have a feeling it's a lot. I haven't had a new computer in a really long time. I also did just get the new 2020 iPad, I believe, for school actually. So I got that over the summer and I did an unboxing video for that. So if you want to watch it, I'll link it down below. But I'm excited for this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, there it is. I thought it was gonna open like really nicely, but here is the beauty. Whoa, it's heavy. Don't need that box anymore. Here it is. In all of its glory. I'm so excited to open this. The one thing I'm not excited about though is that it doesn't have a CD, SD, Ethernet, USB. It doesn't have any of that. So I actually ended up ordering like an extender thingy online so I could do all of that jazz and edit videos and stuff because I really needed that kind of thing. But yes, here it is and I can't wait to open it. I'll try to get it closer so I can get like some nice plastic sounds. This is very exciting. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Ah, look at that. This is very exciting for me. Here's the cord. So we got the USB-C to USB-C. And then the brick. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay. So for a little bit of a comparison, this is the new MacBook Pro 2020, I guess, but that's this one. And in comparison to 2012, like, can we just talk about, like, they're the same size screen, but just like the little bit difference and how big it is kind of interesting to see. But I'm gonna plug this guy in and we shall see what it's like. I don't even know. Oh, there's still stuff on the screen. Did you hear that? Yo, that was sick. Also, look at all of my trash on the floor now. Okay, this is very exciting stuff, if you can't already tell. I have fully set up my computer right now, and I'm gonna show you guys what I have done. So, here is the Mac. This is a new one. So basically, I also figured out how to like screen mirror. So basically, I can control this as like a dual screen with my computer. So it's gonna be super fun to play around with, especially for one of my classes. So you can like watch the lectures and also do other stuff on a different computer. But now I obviously have this screen as well. I'm watching New Girl right now. But I made this thing on a Be Funky, and I'm planning on getting a touch bar pet, which I still have to do. But look I really like this cool screen mirroring effect because like I can basically dual screen it like that. So I'm very excited to see how this computer works. It's been going well so far for the little bit of time I've been setting it up, but I actually do want to get a little case for this guy because this one got beat up pretty bad, and then I had all my stickers on here, which I'm gonna miss. I kind of want to put stickers on this guy, but not directly on the Mac, if you know what I mean, like on a case. So I think I'm gonna do that and order one off Amazon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unconventional unboxing video for the brand new MacBook Pro that I got. Also, I'll tell you guys which one I got. I just don't know what it's called. We shall Google what my computer is. So I got the brand new MacBook Pro, that's the 13-inch, so it has the supercharged A1 chip, M1 chip, so very exciting stuff. Not like I really know what that means, but I'm excited to see how this goes and how it's gonna work and just all the different things. So expect all my new YouTube videos to be edited on this computer, because let me just say, my Final Cut on my old Mac was so slow, and I would always be like, you're out of storage, you're out of storage, but I just remembered I have to download all of my preset things back onto here, which shouldn't take that long. But yeah, I'm excited. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Peace out, Girl Scouts.